Well, there's some breaking news coming on Republic. Kerala High Court has said that read the rules first. Kerala High Court perhaps has handed a big setback to protesters, saying central government's order only bans sale of cattle at animal markets for slaughtering, and that there is no ban for cow slaughter, for eating, for slaughtering. As far as selling of cattle is concerned, there's no ban on it. In fact, Kerala High Court has observed, and I quote, "Who is stopping anyone from selling beef?" And there is no mention of a blanket ban in the rule framed by centre government, quote unquote. And more news coming in that Kerala Congress leader who slaughtered the cow on Saturday has also been arrested. 7 others have been also taken into custody. Youth Congress has been picked up. The Youth Congress leader has been picked up from Kannur. He was the one who slaughtered the cow earlier on Saturday, which Republic was the first television channel to report the story. He has been arrested, including 7 others. That's the breaking news coming in. Youth Congress protests in Rimita, in fact, who broke the story, joins us live on this. Rimita, over to you. What more inputs do you have now? How is Congress taking this up? Any reactions now that the Congress leader has been taken behind bars? Rimita.
The information that we have received right now is that Rijal Makuti, along with 7 others, have been arrested and they have been taken in by the Kannur City Police. The charges that have been filed on them are 1, the Animal Cruelty Act, and 2, slaughtering of a calf in public. These two they have been charged on these 2 acts. They will be presented to the magistrate today, the court today, and the magistrate from there on will decide whether they should be remanded or whether they should be taken to prison right after this.
All right, and are these the 7 others who have also been picked up by the police? They also belong to the Youth Congress wing of Kerala?
That's right. All of them, all the 8 of them belong to the Youth Congress Committee. In fact, the protest from the Congress still continues here in the state. Today in Thiruvananthapuram, led by the DCC, headed by the KPCC President M.M. Hassan, organized a protest in front of the Raj Bhavan, where they were planning to present a memorandum to the Governor P. Sathashivam, asking repealing of the centre's order, the new notification that has come in. So the Congress keeps on protesting, and they've called this a nationwide strike, and until and unless the new notification has been repealed, they will go ahead with the protest, is what I've been told from the Congress.